So yesterday I had a huge epic fail because I tried to take pictures of my daughter Mia, she's almost 3 years old, in the milk bath with cherry blossoms. It was supposed to be so pretty. Hi everyone, Ksenia Pros here. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm still stuck on lockdown at the house and I'm not allowed to go see other people. That's why I'm gonna try to do a milk bath photo shoot with my daughter. But she didn't go for it. So I didn't want the flowers to go to waste, so I decided to take my own pictures, my self-portraits in the milk bath. Let's see how it goes. So the inspiration for the shoot was actually the tree just right outside of my house. It started blooming pretty late, just like yesterday, and then a big storm came and all the flowers fell on the floor. So I went and picked up some of those and we're gonna use them for the milk bath setup. I'm using this dry powdered milk for the milk bath. And make sure you take out all the junk because I was picking up the flowers from the ground, so there's like little sticks and just like little pieces of dirt stuck to them. And now it's all gonna float up in the water, so I don't want to Photoshop it out. I'm just gonna pick it up real quick. Today I was shooting with just natural light, just to make it easy. Also to filter the direct sunlight that we may get, I use the blinds. I just angle them the way that the light bounces off to the ceiling so that we don't get direct sunlight right into the subject. I put my camera on a C-stand and pointed directly into the bathtub. And actually what I did, I tried to have a little bit overhead angle shot because that's the way I normally shoot when I do bathtub shots. It's gonna be just close-up shots just to make it easier. So I just screwed my camera on the C-stand. Just make sure it's pointing in the right direction. You can tilt it slightly a bit if you want to. That's what I did actually. So the position was somewhat like that and it was overhead. But make sure it's nice and stable and make sure the stand is not tipping over. So the flowers were sitting here overnight, so it doesn't smell as fresh anymore, but we'll struggle for this. Anything for the good shot, right? And I have some more flowers that were kind of left over, so I'm just gonna add those to the water. So the flowers are now covering most of the water actually, because we're gonna be doing just the upper body shots, just the close-up shots. The milk doesn't matter as much anymore, so I just added more water, but I'm not gonna add. So I changed into my outfit. I decided to wear a white dress that I wore yesterday for my birthday. I was debating whether I should wear a pink dress, but then I remember that when pink gets wet, it gets so much darker, so it doesn't look as pretty in the pictures. Versus the white, it just gets kind of transparent and pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and connect my camera to my phone. So it is now connected. I'm gonna click remote control and now I can see what it looks like in frame when I'm gonna be taking pictures. So now you see just the flowers. So let me get in. I'm actually gonna go grab a towel just so I can keep my hands dry at all times because I'll have to be holding my phone. All right, let's get into the bathtub. Now the trick is here to bring as much flowers as you can closer to my head, to my face. It's actually looking very pretty now. I'm actually move down a little bit. Ooh, there we go. And my camera is on self-timer still. So when I press the button, I have like 2 seconds before the camera takes the shot. So I'll use that time to move my phone away. And there's like a slight bit delay of the live view when you use your phone. So it takes a second for you to see. There we go. Okay, I like that. And the angle looks good. Okay, ready? Ready or not? Here I come. 3, 2, 1. I can't hear anything because my ear's like underwater. Ooh, did take the picture. Okay, that's pretty. Next time I'm gonna look at the camera. My neck is killing me because I have to hold my head up. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, I see the light on the camera, so that helps. So let me try one more time. Oh, that's cute. Okay, let me try one more time. I'm just gonna do something a little bit different. Let me go back to the live view. underwater on. So I'm sinking one side. I had to hold my breath for a second. That's pretty. Okay. Whew. Let me see what we have. I think I'm done. Honestly, I think I'm done. So it wasn't too hard, you just have to figure, it's almost like taking a selfie but with a 2-second delay. So you just have to figure out how it looks on camera, but it's very crucial to get the camera position right first because you don't want to be getting up and down all the time. So I kind of knew what angle looks best because I take pictures in my bathroom consistently. The shot looks better when it's not straight on, but actually slightly bit kind of like behind the model. This way the features look better and you're not shooting like up so you don't see the nostrils in the picture. It looks pretty, especially with the eyes closed, so you can see more of the lashes from this angle, kind of like behind their head a little bit and above, obviously. So this is exactly how my camera is positioned right now. Alright, you guys. I hope I deserved some likes from you because this was probably the craziest shoot that I've done because I've never do self-portraits, let alone in the bathroom. But it was actually fun. I think it wasn't as hard as I thought it would be. So if you want to try it at home, go for it. And you don't have to use the camera and everything. You can just use your phone for the selfies if you want to, or ask someone to take your pictures because this is actually a fun thing to do if you're stuck at home and you have nothing to do. Alright, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram at Ksenia Pro Photo. See you in the next one!
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos on my channel, please make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button.